Hey, what's up, fellas? So that's what's going on with my APU. It's not charging the battery. I just got the new alternator, so I'm gonna replace it right now. And green APU is right here. I'm gonna take this cover off. I got the brand new alternator right here. So let's do it. I gotta take the top plate off and the bottom one. This one is off. Now let's go under. But before I dive under the truck, I'm gonna remove this nut here to remove these wires and this connector here. And everything's gonna be free from the top. Got these things out. The plug is right here. And I noticed, I think I got a new belt, because this belt is, I don't know if you can see it here. Look, this spot right here. It's getting old. Yeah, I'm gonna replace the belt too. Got both new belts and glow plugs. So I may replace the glow plugs too, since I noticed last winter, I mean even this spring, the APU got hard time to start because of the glow plugs. So I'm gonna replace them. It's gonna be quick swap right here. 1 and 2. But let's do this first, the alternator and the belts. I'm gonna replace this one too, since I have to take this one off to remove this one, so both coming off. Bottom plate, got 11 of these bolts holding it all around, so I'm removing them all. One bolt, 13 millimeters, it's holding the alternator on the top. There is 2 more on the bottom. The second one, this is the first one, the second one I'm gonna be able to reach it from right here. It's right there. I don't know if you can, no, you can't see it, but it's right. It's right there, down there. Got the bottom bolt out, and right now the alternator is holding on only on the top one, because there is adjuster, but the belt adjuster is on the tensioner or whatever it's called. It's on the bottom of the alternator, so I'm just gonna remove this one right now, and the alternator is coming off. Got this bad boy out, and look at this, guys. It's cracked right here. Wow. I had to take it out through the bottom. Couldn't get it out on the top. See if the new one is exactly the same. Look about the same. Yeah, it is the same. Even the pulley is the same size, I think, so I don't have to change anything. Even the pulley is perfect size for this belt. Take this belt off. Got the belts off. Let's compare the old one to the new one. Check this one out. I don't have many hours on this APU. I know it looked like crap, but it doesn't have many hours on it. and the belts are, I think, just from the age. I mean, this one is from the compressor, AC compressor, so yeah, this one is bad, but it's not cracked. This one got some cracks on it, and this is the new ones, brand sprinkling new. Look at the difference. Alright, let's go ahead and put this ones on. Alternator belt is going first, and then the AC compressor. Both belts are in. I'm just gonna put the adjuster back on the compressor. Take this off of the old alternator, and I'm not gonna put it back on the new one till I got the alternator inside and mounted on the upper bolt, because I should take this off when got the alternator in the bay, but it's really hard to get to these bolts when it's in there. Okay, got this guy here. Almost. Alright, got the alternator in, all bolts are in. Now I just have to tighten the belt and put all the connectors back on. But I got a situation here with this belt, and I don't know why, because I didn't even remove the adjuster. And look at the belt, it's the same size, because I checked twice, and it's not tight at all. I'm gonna have to try to play with these bolts on the compressor then. But it looks like the adjuster is all the way up, which means the belt should be as tight as can be. I don't know. Check on this. Okay, I got everything back on except this belt is loose. Everything is on. I'm gonna start it and see how this compressor acts here. It's jumping. Alternator is working, so that's good. To adjust this belt somehow. It's not gonna work like this. It's not even pulling the compressor. To do some adjustments here, but looks like this bracket right here doesn't have much more movement to adjust, to tighten that belt. So yeah, I'll try, we'll see. Got the whole bracket off and trying to figure it out what the hell's going on here, because look, this is the adjustment here, and it's all the way up, and the belt is still not tight. Be the angle, maybe I should, yeah, if I do the angle of this bracket in a little bit different way, it's gonna, yeah, I think so. I'll try. I managed to make it a little tighter than it was. I'm gonna, it's still not tight, but I'll test it. No, it's not gonna work if I can. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna turn it on, and I'll wait till compressor kicks on. Still not tight enough. I have to take this off again. Also, I had to make this adjusting hole a little bit longer. Took me a little bit. I'm gonna put it now and check again if I can adjust the belt. Now it's a little bit better. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Alternator can be a little bit loose because it doesn't have to be tight, but this one, yeah, I think it's gonna be fine now. Now I'm gonna replace the glow plugs. Just two small nuts off, they are 8 millimeters. And now the glow plugs. Deep socket with extension. before I pull them out, because there's some dirt. Now just pull them out straight up. Yep, they are old. Perfect time for the new one. Check this out, guys. Compare the new one to the old one. And simply just push it in, and then 10 millimeters again. You can see they don't go all the way through. I mean the thread. There is still a little bit thread, but it's the same on this one. Okay, everything is back on. I think I'm ready to test it. Let's go. AC is gonna kick on soon. I just want to check if the compressor belt is okay. It looks fine now.